Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to build an automatic fireworks launcher in Minecraft. Now as you guys can see, so this is the launcher that we are going to be building, and I have purposely set it to nighttime just to show you guys the fireworks. So let me just right click this lever, and as you guys can see, so we have fireworks, and now I can right click this lever to off the launcher once again. And yeah, so basically in this test we have all the ingredients that you will require, all the items that you will require. And so firstly you'll require one dispenser, one redstone, and then two hoppers, and one redstone comparator, and one lever. All right. And so basically how we're going to build it is, firstly what you're going to do is take the hopper and then right click the hopper onto the ground, one hopper like this, and then shift click the next hopper right next to it. Alright guys, so I got a pickaxe, and then what you're going to do is to actually firstly break this first hopper, and then what you're going to do is shift click and then place this over here. Now as you guys can see, so they are conjoined, so the hoppers required to be conjoined, otherwise this won't work. It needs to be conjoined. And then what we're going to do is place this redstone comparator right over here. Now facing this way, I mean, otherwise it won't work. And then what you can do is place this redstone over here, and then this is dispenser placing this way as you would do. And now what you can do, what you need to do actually is, okay, place the lever over here, and then what you need to do is take all these fireworks. All right. And then what you need to do is place one of these fireworks over here, one of the fireworks inside the hopper. Now as you guys can see, so it activates the system. Now I'm going to off it and quickly place all of these fireworks in here. Now, are you ready guys? 3, 2, 1. Boom, guys, look at that, guys. So this is how you make a fireworks launcher in Minecraft. It's an automatic launcher, and you can do it how many ever times if you want. And you can off it like this, or you can just go ahead and remove this and it won't work anymore, as you guys can see. And you don't have to place a firework. You can place anything. Like, let me just grab this piece of sand over here and show you guys that you can activate this with any block that is available to you. Now as you guys can see, so it is activated currently. And yeah guys, so with that we have come to a conclusion in this video. So if you guys did enjoy it, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and in the meantime go ahead and check out some of my other videos that are on your screen right now, and I'll catch you guys over there. Now see ya.